que nous sommes prêts pour cette semaine, mes amis? Are we ready for the week? C'est temps pour les lettres et les chiffres dans notre livret orange. Et j'ouvre mon livret à page numéro 28. Ici. Et il dit, je suis le lapin, c'est magique. Les majuscules avec un C magique. OK, review time. OK, on regarde. C-O-Q-G. OK. Et tu connais, moi, j'aime commencer ici. Pour moi, c'est... Again, it doesn't make a difference where you start your C's as long as they look nice. Oh. Oops, Mademoiselle Jory. Fait quelque chose. Oups. Je peux pas trouver mon efface. Je pratique. There we go. Et Q, c'est la même chose que O, mais avec un petit jambe là. Et G, comme ça. Et encore C-O-Q-G. Oh, kind of. Q, E, G. Maintenant, voici un jeu mystérieux. This is tes parents. The adults in your life get to quiz you on which letter you are going to make. Now, again, do you need to do it all at one time? No, break it up. Maybe do 4 et 5. Start it off with 3. Make it 4. Then, like, break it up. Don't need to do it all at the same time. Just a little quiz. And try to switch it up. Don't just keep going in the same order. I'd love to see what you do with that, mes amis. Et maintenant, S. Ouh. Deux petites lignes courbées. OK? C'est comme un petit C and then a backward C, but we don't take our pencil off the page. Now, this one looks like it's a little tilted. And again, I'm a person that likes to come down a little bit further to start, but again, we're just starting here, so that's just fine. Okay, un petit C, and then I come back around. Serpent. Say. Ooh. Say. But we want to make sure that we smooth that out. Wait. It's a little bigger on the top. And remember, you can go back and look at your work and say, oh oui, moi j'aime beaucoup cet S. Oh, je n'aime pas celui-là. I would change it. As a matter of fact, Mademoiselle Jory, it's okay. And remember, see, hand is firmly on the table. Et sur mon livre. And I am giving it a good press. Okay? Je commence encore. S. S. Serpent. Et oh, regarde, c'est le soleil. We're going to talk about the sun today. We used the sun last week with one of our activities. Not last week, the week before. Okay, S. C'est compris? Quelle couleur est le soleil? Well, if you read the book, The Day the Crayons Quit, you know that the crayons have an argument. It's like, quelle couleur? It's a book that I'm going to have to read to you. Quelle couleur pour soleil? Jaune ou orange? This is the really tricky question. Est-ce que le soleil est jaune ou orange? Maybe you could solve that for me today, friends. Maybe you could solve that for me today. Okay, au revoir. I will see you pour les sons. Et maintenant, aujourd'hui, les sons. These are the ones that we are going to focus on today. Some of them we've done, some of them we haven't. Joliphonique and this is Jollyphonics, Joliphonique. Et ça, c'est la forêt de l'alphabet. They go in different orders, but I like both programs. So this is why I like to blend them. Okay, rugir. So rolling those R's. Is what we're looking for. But, of course, I'm okay with the name. Le nom, R. Okay? Ça, c'est E. It's not E, it's not E. En français, c'est E. And we say je, and we kind of point to ourselves. This one is a growl, right? Okay? Et F. So you make the cold and you shiver sound. Froid. Et we just did S pour serpent. Serpent. Okay? R. E. S. R. S. E. S. E. R. Okay? Encore. R. E. F. S. Ça, c'est les noms. Ça, c'est les sons. R. S. E. S. E. R. Merci.